Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Custom. Fuel-injected V-twin 900, liquid-cooled, belt-drive, beautiful matte black finish. This bike's got the leather saddlebags, passenger backrest, luggage rack. Fantastic condition. Come on by. Make your Vulcan 900 dreams come true. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web. www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Only 7,000 miles on this awesome Vulcan 900. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.